Yeah, man. Yeah. I'm trying to get that boy a fish, man. Gotta get him one. Way down, deep in the jungle. Yeah. That man don't want to catch that fish.
Huh?
You don't want to catch that fish.
What I supposed to do now?
What you supposed to do?
What she said?
How you letting that fish play with your mind like that, man? What's going on, man? You cut your boy shot, brother, man. Don't do that, man. Don't let that man play with you like that, man.
You playing?
First time fishing, my nigga. He ready. We'll catch your what? He ready to get the feeling. No. Two of them. 2 times. Yeah.